Let's get ourselves connected. Gotta get yourself connected.
So apart from Virtual Console, what are some of the other things?
So some of the other things on here, Virtual Console is just one. WiiWare is a new service that we introduced, a couple of years ago. Basically, what WiiWare enables developers to do is to produce games and use Nintendo to get those games out to the people that want to play them.
Oh, cool.
So these are often new IP, new franchises. It's designed to help all developers get their games out and make them, playable on your Wii really easily. But what it's really about is connecting, smaller developers who maybe don't have the funding or the time to fully market a game on a disc or a cartridge at retail. This enables someone who's got a great game idea to get it out a lot easier, and Nintendo offers kits. It's for you to be able to develop games for the system, and then we every Monday send out a whole new set of games that are Virtual Console, WiiWare, and DSiWare.
So give me an idea here. This is pretty cool. So if someone has a game idea and they've got some technical knowledge and they work with one of these developer kits, they can bring that concept to life to the Nintendo Wii online audience. Yeah. And so similar idea, download it to your console, and depending on what the developer has, how they've built the game, it may or may not take advantage of all the Wii capabilities.
Yeah, I mean, there's different ways to play. Now, while Virtual Console won't use motion controls,
sure,
the WiiWare that's developed, a lot of games do have motion controls. It's not necessary, but it's up to the developer to design a game. Now, there's games that use the Wii balance board as well and all of our accessories. So,
yeah,
it's kind of like a blue sky on whatever you want to create. Nintendo's providing a platform to make it easy for you not only to make it, but to bring it to consumers and get people to actually play.
Give me an example of a game that you've tried that you like.
Oh, there's a lot on here. I mean, there's over 150 WiiWare titles to date, and every week there's more and more. One of my favorites is World of Goo, which is a physics-based game that literally uses pieces of goo. Yeah. And you need to build these kind of bridging-type apparatuses to get one thing to happen on one end to the other side, and because physics it plays a part, you really have to think about it. It's basically a puzzle game.
Cool. And so 1,500 points, roughly about 15 bucks, yeah, to try this one out.
Yeah, and well worth it, because the replayability on a game like this is huge.
That's cool, and it's a lot less expensive than a lot of traditional console games.
Yeah, exactly, and that's what it helps take away from is all those marketing dollars and sales dollars that are required to bring a game to a retail store.
Show me some other things that folks can do online with their Nintendo Wii.
So Virtual Console downloads and WiiWare downloads are one thing, but part of the other free stuff that we have to offer are these different channels. Mm-hmm. So some of the channels here, the Nintendo channel is great. What it is it's trailers, it's informational videos, it's commercials, and other types of content like developer interviews from Nintendo or some of the other third-party developers. Yeah. And they're basically videos that you can watch. So if you're a Wii user, you can go and choose what you want to learn about, and there's videos that can be 45 seconds long, and some of them are up to 15 or 20 minutes. And it's just about finding the information that you want to find out about and making it easy and accessible on your Wii.
Now, would that type of information also be available through the traditional internet, or is this something particular to the Wii console? A
lot of the content that we put on the Nintendo channel is exclusive to the Nintendo channel. Okay. However, you will see trailers and some other content on there, which you may see online or other places, but the majority of the stuff is actually exclusive. The other thing I want to tell you about quickly too is the internet channel. This just offers you another way to go surf the web. Okay. You can do it from your Wii. It's done with what's called an Opera browser, so slightly different experience than you have on your laptop or your PC or your Mac.
Well, that's a great idea, especially if you don't have a computer in the living room connected to the TV. You can have full screen internet browsing through the Opera browser.
Exactly.
Cool. Why did you guys choose Opera?
That was just a decision we made. We felt it worked best with the way that the controls work, because you do use the motion controls and you use a point and click kind of way to surf. So we just chose it as
I've had a chance to talk to the Opera guys, and I see that they've really got that browser into a lot of unique places, such as mobile devices and obviously the Nintendo Wii. Well, there you go. You probably didn't even realize how much power was sitting in your living room with respect to your Nintendo Wii, but you can connect it online and take advantage so much more content, gaming content, interviews, trailers, as well as check out your local weather and local news. Matt, thanks for coming in.
Yeah, thank you.
So what if we check out the news, what's going on in the world?